So today I have a special surprise for you. We will be doing a contest, and not just any contest, a awesome bag counting contest. That's right. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that you have to be subscribed to my channel and like this video and the following video. So, how this is going to work. The amount of bags that it will take to do this one job, you will have to figure out. And the person who gets the closest number or gets the exact amount will be the winner. Now, this video will appear next Tuesday. What the prize for this contest is going to be special. My channel is not very big. What I'm thinking of doing is being in the festive spirit. I will donate $1 for every bag that it took to do that job, and I will donate this to my mother's charitable business. She is making masks for COVID uses. These are handmade, by the way. All the proceeds for these masks go to the local church that she is part of, as well as the local food bank. The winner will also get epic bragging rights. The video after next Tuesday, so the Tuesday following, I will mention the winner, and yeah, we'll go from there, and we'll start the holidays on the proper footing.